Have you ever wondered how it all started? The universe, the Earth, and life as we know it? Let's take a step back, way back, to the dawn of time. Around 13.8 billion years ago, a miraculous event occurred, the Big Bang. In less than a blink of an eye, the universe expanded from an infinitesimally small point into an unimaginably vast expanse. This wasn't an explosion in the traditional sense, but rather a rapid expansion of space itself. And in this newly created space, the raw materials for everything we know today were forged. The universe was a hot, dense sea of particles and energy. As it expanded, it cooled, and these particles began to combine in ways that would eventually lead to the formation of atoms, then molecules, and finally colossal structures called galaxies. Galaxies are vast islands of stars, gas, and dust bound together by gravity. Each one is a city of stars, and there are estimated to be over 2 trillion of these star cities in the observable universe. And around many of these stars, planets began to form. But how does a planet form? It starts with a swirling disk of dust and gas around a young star. Over millions of years, these particles of dust and gas start to stick together, growing larger and larger. Eventually, through countless collisions and accretions, a planet is born. The birth of a planet is a long, tumultuous process, taking millions, if not billions of years. It's a testament to the immense timescales over which the universe operates. Timescales that dwarf the lifespan of a single human or even the entirety of human history. And so, in this great cosmic ballet, amidst countless galaxies around one of the innumerable stars, in a quiet corner of the Milky Way, the stage was set for the birth of a particularly special planet, our Earth. That's how, in the vastness of space and time, the stage was set for the birth of our planet. About 4.6 billion years ago, in a quiet corner of the Milky Way, our Earth was born. This nascent world emerged not from an explosive spectacle, but from a humble cloud of dust and gas. As gravity knit this celestial fluff together, the Earth began to take form, a process akin to the gentle shaping of clay on a potter's wheel. In its early years, our planet was a hot, molten mass, tumultuous and unrecognizable. Imagine a world devoid of solid ground, where the surface roiled and bubbled like a pot of molten gold. This was the Hadean Aeon, appropriately named after Hades, the ancient Greek god of the underworld. Over time, the Earth began to cool and solidify, its fiery exterior hardening into a thin crust. Beneath this crust, the planet's inner layers continued to churn and convect, their ceaseless motion driving the tectonic activity that would shape the Earth's continents and oceans. Simultaneously, the Earth's atmosphere began to form. Volcanic eruptions spewed gases into the sky, creating a primordial blanket of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and water vapor. These gases trapped the planet's heat, preventing it from escaping into the cold void of space and setting the stage for the creation of the oceans. As the Earth's surface cooled further, water vapor in the atmosphere condensed and fell as rain. Over millions of years, these rains filled the planet's basins, forming the first oceans. These vast bodies of water acted as a thermostat, stabilizing the Earth's climate and making it more hospitable. So, from a swirling cloud of cosmic dust and gas, the Earth was born. Its tumultuous infancy gave way to a more stable adolescence, characterized by the formation of solid ground, a protective atmosphere, and life-sustaining oceans. Yet this was only the beginning of the Earth's story. Thus, a stable, life-supporting environment was established. But where did life come from? The answer to this question takes us even deeper into our planet's fascinating history, which we will explore in the next scene. Imagine a world with no life, only rocks, water, and gases. How did life spring from this? This question has puzzled scientists for centuries and led to the formulation of several theories about the origin of life on Earth. One of the most prominent theories is the primordial soup theory. This theory suggests that life began in the Earth's early oceans, which contained a rich mix of chemicals. Triggered by lightning or the sun's radiation, these chemicals reacted with each other, forming simple organic compounds. Over time, these compounds grew more complex, eventually leading to the first living organisms. Another intriguing theory is panspermia, the idea that life on Earth may have originated from elsewhere in the universe. Proponents of this theory suggest that microscopic life forms or the building blocks of life could have arrived on our planet aboard comets or meteorites. Once here, these life forms or building blocks found the right conditions to evolve and multiply. Regardless of which theory we subscribe to, what's clear is that life on Earth started as simple organisms. Over billions of years, through the process of natural selection and evolution, these organisms became increasingly complex. Single-celled organisms evolved into multi-celled ones, which then developed into simple aquatic life forms. From these humble beginnings, life branched out into a myriad of species, colonizing every corner of our planet, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, from the hottest deserts to the coldest poles. Each step in this evolutionary journey was a response to changes in the environment and competition for resources. Life adapted, diversified, and became more complex, leading to the emergence of the first plants, the first animals, and eventually the first humans. Life, once it took hold, began to diversify and evolve, leading to the vast array of species we see today. From the microscopic bacteria to the towering redwoods, from the humble earthworm to the majestic blue whale, every living creature on Earth is a testament to this remarkable journey of life. Despite the countless planets in the universe, Earth remains unique. But why? As we delve into the intricacies of our planet, we find a series of fortunate circumstances that make Earth a cradle for life. The first among these is our planet's distance from the Sun, a factor known as the Goldilocks principle. Not too hot, not too cold, Earth sits in the Sun's habitable zone where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist. And water, as we know, is a vital ingredient for life as we understand it. Covering over 70% of our planet's surface, water is the lifeblood of Earth. It not only quenches our thirst, but also provides a medium for most biochemical reactions. From the smallest microorganisms to the most massive mammals, water is a universal prerequisite for life. Then we have Earth's magnetic field, a lesser-known but equally crucial factor. This invisible shield, generated by the churning of molten iron in Earth's outer core, protects us from harmful solar radiation. Without it, the sun's relentless onslaught would strip away our atmosphere, leaving our planet barren and lifeless, much like Mars. Speaking of the atmosphere, Earth's gaseous envelope is another vital element in supporting life. It provides the right pressure to maintain liquid water at the surface. It is a cocktail of nitrogen, oxygen, and a dash of other gases, creating the perfect mix for life to thrive. The atmosphere also acts as a blanket, trapping heat and maintaining a stable, mild climate, a feature that distinguishes Earth from other planets with harsh and inhospitable conditions. These factors, the perfect distance from the sun, the abundance of water, the protective magnetic field, and the life-supporting atmosphere are not merely coincidental. They are the product of billions of years of cosmic evolution, a testament to Earth's dynamism and resilience in the face of the universe's randomness. These factors, combined, have so far made Earth the only known planet to support life. So, while we continue to explore the universe's vast expanse in search of other habitable worlds, let's remember and cherish the uniqueness of our beautiful blue planet. Our journey has taken us from the birth of the universe to the uniqueness of our planet. We've traversed the cosmic tapestry of time, from the explosive genesis of the cosmos in the Big Bang to the formation of our own home, the Earth. We've seen how from a swirling maelstrom of cosmic dust and gas, our planet was born, coalescing into a solid sphere orbiting a young sun in a far-flung corner of the Milky Way. In these early eons, Earth was a harsh and volatile place, yet it was here, in the crucible of these extreme conditions, that life first emerged. We delved into the mystery of life's origin, exploring theories that propose it arose from the primordial soup of the early Earth, or perhaps was delivered from the stars by cosmic hitchhikers carried on comets. We followed the thread of life from its simplest forms, single-celled organisms, to the vast tapestry of biodiversity we see today. We've also pondered the uniqueness of Earth. It's a question that has captivated us for centuries. Why here? Why on this planet, in this solar system, in this galaxy, did life take hold and flourish? We've explored how Earth's position in the solar system, its magnetic field, its climate, and its water all play crucial roles in nurturing life. Yet we must remember that the universe is vast and we are still at the infancy of our understanding. There may be countless other worlds out there on which life has found a way to exist. Our planet, while unique to us, may not be the only cradle of life in the cosmos. As we gaze at the stars, we are reminded of our humble beginnings and the incredible journey of life in the universe.
If you enjoy our documentaries, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us continue to create, and share fascinating content with you. Thank you for being a part of our community.